Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about acceleration and velocity. A car traveling to the east and its a position p in minutes at time t in hours is given by pt equals t squared and minus 5t a, B, C, D. We know that the question they ask, what is the position at what is the time at the position 50 miles? What is the velocity at 50 miles? And what is the acceleration when the car is 80 miles? And the last one, when does the car stop? So I will show the technique how to answer from A to D. So we need to understand about first derivative. You get about velocity. Second derivative, you get about acceleration. So we will find first derivative and second derivative. In the first derivative, you got about in the first derivative you got about 2t minus 5. In the second derivative you got about number 2. So at this situation we can answer the question C is about number 2, because even they change the position, we still get about acceleration is about number 2. So this is about answer C. The next one, when is the car 50 miles from where it started? So we put 50 miles in PT, so we can find the time. So we have t squared minus 5t minus 50 equals 0, and we can find the answer. So we got t equals 10, we accept, and we have t equal to minus 5, we reject, because that's about negative number, and negative number it cannot allow for the time in here. Question B. After we calculate t equal to 10, we put about first derivative. So we have to multiply with 10 minus 5. Let's see, about 20 minus 5, you got about 15. And the next one, let's see about D. When does the car stop? So this means this one will equal to 0. And this is about 5 over 2. That's the end. Thank you for watching.